Tunisia's Islamist-led government will not step down despite opposition demands, the Prime Minister has said. Ali Lareid said it would fulfill its mandate and hold elections in December. He was responding to anger over the murders of two leading politicians by suspected Islamist militants. Following the assassination of an MP last Thursday, there have been further clashes in Sidi Bouzid, where the uprising that overthrew the previous administration in 2011 started. The secular Educatol Party had called for the coalition, led by the Islamist Ennahda Party, to step down because of the tensions following the killing of Mohamed Brahmi, the leader of the small left-wing Popular Movement Party. We have called for the dissolution of the government in favor of a unity government that would represent the broadest form of consensus, Lobni Jaribi, an Educatol leader, told Reuters news agency. In February, the murder of prominent secular figure Chakri Balade sparked mass protests and forced then Prime Minister Hamadi Jebeli to resign. In a televised speech, Mr. Lareid insisted the government was not simply trying to hang on to power in the wake of the furor over the murders. This government will stay in office, we are not clinging to power, but we have a duty and a responsibility that we will exercise to the end, the AFP news agency quotes him as saying. He said the transitional government planned to hold elections by the end of 2013, setting the date for December 17.